Let's get you the very latest when it comes to the army rejecting the claims that have been made by Rahul Gandhi on the Agniveer claim. Rahul Gandhi claimed no compensation was given to the family of the Agniveer, and the army has gone on to now clarify, saying that the family has already been paid 98.3 lakh rupees and the remaining amount of 67 lakhs will be paid soon, is what is being said. So the defence minister there saying that the Indian army is committed to the welfare of the Agniveers. In a late night post, the army has clarified how much has been paid, and those claims that are being made by Rahul Gandhi are false, and that Rahul Gandhi's claim that Rajnath Singh lied in the parliament about the compensation of 1 crore being paid to the family. Now, certain posts on social media have brought out that the compensation has been paid, but it has been paid, is what the army has gone on to say. And our sources have told NDTV that 98 lakh rupees have been paid to the Agniveer's family, and that happened at the end of last month. The clarification came within 2 hours of that video message by Rahul Gandhi, doubling down on his statement that compensation has not been paid to Ajay Kumar's family. Protection of truth is the basis of every religion, but Defence Minister Rajnath Singh lied in Parliament about the assistance given to the family that was martyred. Now, in that same video, the father has also been seen stating that their family has not received any compensation from the central government, which runs the counter to the statement that was made by the Defence Minister. Let's listen in to what Rahul Gandhi said.
नमस्कार। संसद में अपने भाषण में मैंने कहा, सत्य की रक्षा हर धर्म का फाउंडेशन है। जवाब में राजनाथ सिंह जी ने शिवजी की फोटो के सामने पूरे हिंदुस्तान को, देश की सेना को और अग्निवीरों को कॉम्पनसेशन के बारे में झूठ बोला। मैंने अपने भाषण में कहा था, मेरी बात मत सुनिए, उनकी बात भी मत सुनिए, अग्निवीर के परिवारों की बात सुनिए।
कोई सहूलत नहीं मिली ना सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने, पंजाब सरकार ने दी हमें, चलो जो भी है बनता हक, तो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने कुछ नहीं दिया हमें। बोलते आएंगे पैसे, इलेक्शन आ रहा है, वो आ रहा है, ना जाने कब आए।
We have my colleague Sunil Prabhu joining us to get us more on this. Sunil, some clarity required here, because we just heard the father saying that the money hasn't been given yet, but the army there clarifying that 98 lakh rupees has already been paid.
So there is, we'll have to read between the lines. I think there is definitely a lot of concerns, a lot of issues, what the army says, as well as what Rahul Gandhi and the other, Agnipath families are saying. So it's definitely somewhere down the line, I think there is a communication gap. There is somewhere, when Rajnath Singh got up in parliament and you said 1 crore is given, today they're given 98 lakhs. Why shouldn't it have been 1 crore of rupees? And then there's another 67 lakhs coming through other emoluments. All these points need to be looked at. Why? And more importantly, somewhere down the line for these families of Agniveers who are, who have lost their lives, those who haven't, they don't get that martyr shield. All those points need to be looked at in its entirety. So definitely politics are still continuing, as the government of India has already said the Agniveer the program is under review, and hopefully they will be able, with the opposition highlighting the concerns as well as the defense minister defending it, the Agniveer families as well as the Agniveers who are working and defending our country will get a better deal in the days to come once that review comes up, hopefully.